Hi everyone, I'm just going to make a quick video here about the Goggles X and the analog input mode, which has a major flaw which I don't know if it can be fixed or not, and it makes it a bit of a non-starter for any of us with analog tiny whoops and tiny drones that need analog support. So anyway, what I've got here is a URUAV DJI analog adapter, which has voltage going in, and the voltage comes back out and goes to the Goggles X, and it's got an AV out which goes through a 4-pin to the Goggles X, and that is not 5-pin like the manual says, but it still works. We can see it here. Well, we can't see anything here, we just see a digital snow, which is probably kind of important here. But if I go into the menu, then we can see the menu come up, and we can see that it goes to a different kind of snow for a few seconds, but this snow that we're seeing here isn't the actual snow from the module. Now, what this means is that the goggles are replacing the low signal coming from this, because there's nothing plugged in at the moment, with a fake snow. And now I've got this adapter going through the AV out things to my PowerPlay, and the PowerPlay shows a different kind of snow. It might be hard to tell here, but if I go to the menu, you can see that the PowerPlay shows the menu first, well before the Walksnail goggles see it. Now, if I can go to the spectrum, for example, you can see it's flashing in and out of, well, it's not even showing. Yep, the spectrum analyzer should be showing as it does on the PowerPlay, but nope, it's flashing in and out because the goggles are replacing it with a fake snow. Okay, so, well, that's fine. That's just an OSD menu. I don't need OSD all that badly. But let's get out of the OSD and plug in a quad. Let's see if I can do this. I probably can't, so I'm going to put the phone down while I plug in a quad. Now, the quad is on, should be on low power mode, pit mode. Let's confirm that. VTX pit mode is off. I'm putting pit mode back on. Save, confirm, save, and exit. Okay, so now we're in pit mode, which is very low signal. Let's put this here. You can see both have the signal, but look at that. I'm a little bit further away from it. PowerPlay is showing a bit of a signal. It's showing nothing. I mean, the signal is sketchy on the PowerPlay, that's for sure, but it's there, and we should be able to fly through that. But we're not going to be able to fly through this, because that's a fake background snow that's being shown in place of this sketchy signal. Now, this is the same signal coming out of the receiver. It's the same thing, it's just one doesn't show it. One does show it. Doesn't? Oh, did for a second. Does. Now, this is a non-starter Caddx. If you can fix this, please do. If not, we're going to need something else for analog input. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.